Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, we will learn about calendar layout. Create a new page. Give it a title and publish it. After Publish Page, click on Edit with Elementor button. In Basic category, there is Events Calendar widget. You can also find it by search Events in Elementor search bar. Drag and drop it on page. In Context tab, we have Events Calendar Settings and Events Query option. Select the number of events you want to show on calendar. From default view, select which view you want to show first when page load. From first day of week, you can select day you need the week to start. By default, Event pop-up have Read More button. You can hide it by enable Hide Read More link. In Event Query, Events Time option have Select All Events option. That will show all the future events. You can use the Between Dates option to show events between specific months by selecting Start and End Date. You can filter the events based on category, tag organizer, and venue. In Style tab, we have 4 options to style different part of calendar. Like Events, Filter, Header, and Body. In Calendar Events tab, Background color will change the background of multi-day events. Text color option will change the color of text of multi-day events. Next, text color option will change color of text of single-day events. In calendar filters, title color option will change the calendar month text color. Button border color option will change the button's border color. In Normal tab, button color option will change text color of buttons. Button background color will change the background color of buttons. In Hover tab, button color and button background color you can use for change the text and background color of active button. It will also change non-active buttons' hover color. In Calendar Header tab, color and background color option is used for change the color of header of calendar. In Calendar Body tab, color will change the color of dates. Background color option will change the color of calendar body. For make the calendar more attractive, you can give the background color to container. Select the calendar container, go to Style tab, from Background select the color. After apply all the setting, preview the page.